How to create Instagram business account. First, open your Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon. Tap the three-line menu at the top. Scroll down. Use the account type and tools option. Tap on it. Tap on switch to professional account. Tap next. Choose the category you want. Tap switch to professional account. If you are an influencer, select creator. If you are running a business, select business. Now tap next. Skip this part. You will see 7 steps to complete your professional account. You can complete them now or you can complete them later. Skip this for now. That's it. Your personal account switched to a professional account.